Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study accountancy in Class 12 step by step. Start by listing all chapters and their exam weight, then create weekly targets so you cover theory and problems evenly. Schedule daily problem practice for at least 1 hour and reserve time each weekend for revision and mock tests. Keep topics rotating to avoid cramming and use a clear checklist to mark completed objectives and track progress. Develop strong theory foundations by writing concise summaries that highlight definitions and logic. Explain these summaries out loud as if teaching someone to reveal weak spots and improve retention. Connect every journal entry and ledger procedure to the core principle it represents, so examples reinforce theory. Regularly revisit summaries before practice sessions and update them with insights from solved problems to keep your revision material accurate and useful. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides for you. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because they save time and keep study snacks tidy, which helps during long revision days. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus intense practice on problem types that carry weight in exams while timing yourself to build pacing. Use past papers to understand common question patterns and examiner expectations, then prioritize topics that appear frequently. After each practice, review errors carefully, rewrite correct solutions, and note recurring mistakes to prevent repeats. Balance practice with short review bursts of theory, so each session strengthens both conceptual understanding and exam techniques consistently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.